cabinetry construction and specs from CabinetHub.com. The cabinet box in our main product lines are face frame cabinets made out of birch. The face frame is constructed with solid wood and has 1.5 inch stiles and rails. The toe kick depth is approximately 3 3/4 inches. The Shaker, Brooklyn, Lenox, and Napa lines are made out of 1/2 inch 7-ply plywood and have 3-inch plywood stretcher base reinforcements. All shelves are adjustable and made out of 3/4 inch plywood. The drawer boxes for these lines are 5-inch thick solid wood made in a dovetail construction. The drawer slides are metal, undermount, full extension, and soft close with ball bearings. The Taylor series is a bit different. The cabinet box is constructed out of 1/2 inch particle board with a plywood back. The base reinforcements are 3/4 inch plastic corner braces with tabs. The Taylor series shelves are also adjustable and made out of 5/8 inch plywood. The drawer boxes for the Taylor series are 1/2 inch plywood in a straight construction. The drawer slides are side mount 3/4 extension made of either epoxy or vinyl with nylon rollers.